Hi guys. Sa iPhone. Ano ako ito na? Ano mo lagi sa iPhone?
Unsa na na apps? Sa lagi sa
Kakit siya.
Kinsa na? Kinsa na? Kinsa na? Alam Kinsa to? Kinsa na? Hello guys, to my future self. It's me. Wala pang ngipin.
Future self. Wow.
Siya ba? Kipag siya. Ugoy! 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 Talk to yourself. Ano ba ito na?
Hi.
Ikaw to, ikaw? Ikaw yan to,
So,
bebe?
in the future,
Huh?
hello future self. I'm still a tomboy. I hope in the future you're still a tomboy. Please do not fall in love with men.
To my future self, I hope I have a child like this. And I go to Haba Farm.
I would never have a child.
Mapam. Kuya, pam.
Hi, future self. I hope you'll never fall in love with men. They suck.
Laway. Oh.
I'm gonna post this in my on my YouTube channel.
Pisti ka.
No one's gonna view it anyway.
Gagawin lang yun.
Kabuon. Okay, sampalo.
Puno na kong laway.
Higda na siya des. Lo, kaila ko na lang mapakog.
You cry? You cry?
Oh my God, I'm having breakouts. Mag-check iPhone na. I'm so proud of myself for discovering this app and
Saan na apps na?
open camera. Hi, future self. Laway-laway na ka.
Kaya nga.
Cold-hearted girl. Mapawa mo.
Pretty ng
Hi.
bebe. Aray, kaswerte siguro ang uyab ng ini ba? Oh, yeah, di pa kabalo maglakaw mo kung future
Cold-hearted girl. Sa girlfriend.
Sa future niya na, boy.
Pwede sub. Dapat ba din sub siya like me?
No. Ayaw man.
Hi, future self. Okay,
Hi,
hi, future
future self.
self. Your past self has fake teeth. Fake tooth pala.
Udri.
Okay, saya mo na yan.
Oh man. Apam.
Bata pa din saya sa pagtuluin ng apam.
When you are go older, you will look for apam and save your family.
Wow.
You don't want
Endanger ba
apam? Bebe, you don't want apam? Ano ba yung smile? Ano yung smile ka kuya? Smile ka kuya? Bebe na. Smile ka kuya. Ako buang.
Cold-hearted girl. Kuya,
I'm obsessed of your sister. You're so adorable and so yummy. Okay.
tingin ko full storage na ako.
Bocheng! Guys, look at my nails. It's not a fake nails. It's natural.
Bye na. Bye.
Ano madrip mo?
Please never ever get married in the future. I'm telling you. Look at my hair. It's reddish. Reddish! Oh, gapula siya. Sa other side.
Ganun ako pag may smile siya. Ayaw, i-distract mo.